Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to fix AssistiveTouch now. First, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, AssistiveTouch. Toggle it OFF and wait 5 to 10 seconds. This clears a common UI hang. Once done, toggle it back on so the system rebuilds the on-screen control. Make sure battery is above 10% because low power can throttle background services and produce inconsistent behavior. If you see the button reappear, test taps immediately to confirm responsiveness before moving to deeper steps. Next, restart the device to clear caches and hung processes. A soft restart first, or a force restart if the screen is unresponsive. Once rebooted, go to Software Update and install any pending OS patches. AssistiveTouch often breaks after incomplete updates. If the problem continues, reset only accessibility settings rather than full factory reset. This preserves apps and data while restoring accessibility defaults. Make sure to re-enable AssistiveTouch after resets, then test tap, drag, and long press gestures. Finish by rebuilding the AssistiveTouch menu, remove complex or third-party actions, and keep 3 to 4 core controls so you can isolate a faulty action. If that doesn't fix it, back up your device and perform a restore from a clean backup. Restores clear lingering software corruption. And if problems persist after restore, check physical causes. Screen protectors that interfere with gestures, moisture on the screen, or damaged digitizer hardware. If you need help, contact support and describe steps taken, including restore and any error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.